Ingenuity. Often it's a flash of insight that brings together totally different technologies. Fram, a Bendix company, used a textile technology to create the Fram Extra Life air filter. Ingenuity. It's using brain power to protect your horsepower. Bendix, the power of ingenuity.